So I got this Beomat MS700 target launching machine. I've put it together and getting ready to test it for the first time. I've only got a couple of targets loaded in here. So when I turn it on, it's going to index and drop and load a clay down here. And this switch here should stop the machine until I push the button. I've got a button rigged up here. It's an old doorbell button, but it's going to act as the trigger. Inside here is the triggering mechanism. There's a transformer and a relay. It's relay logic. Inside here, there's also a relay and a start capacitor. This is just for the motor. And then there's this cable coming out of here goes into this electromagnetic clutch. The motor turns all the time, and the electromagnetic clutch is activated by this relay in here. And that when the electromagnetic clutch engages, it spins this gear drive mechanism. I think it's down, it says 40 to 1 or something like that. And that in turn drives some belts that you can see just a little bit right there. There's on that side, there's dual V belts. And then there's also a disc here that's, it serves as like an electromagnetic brake. You can see right in here, there's a coil, electromagnetic coil, and that serves to hold this arm in place. Not all the machines have it, and I don't really know why. Some do, some don't. And it's got this spring metal here that allows the targets to drop slowly when they get to this point. And there's 3 rubber O-rings here on this spring-loaded wheel. And what that does is when this carousel rotates and indexes in, these rubber O-rings hold the target stack, but they do allow the bottom one. They don't grip the bottom one. They let the bottom one drop down onto this little elevator here. It goes up and down. You'll see that when it happens. And I've got 2 tarps in case I'm afraid the clay might go through one tarp, since they're kind of weak and old. So I've got 2 tarps set up here. And I've also slacked the spring back as much as possible, so it's not going to be throwing very hard. And so what I'm going to do now is put this camera on a stand and kick it over into slow motion so I can record this thing in slow motion. And I'm thinking that the clay is going to hit somewhere right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in now. So when I plug it in, the motor will start to run and it will cock the machine. There it goes. You can see the arm is stopped right there and the target's sitting there waiting on it. 2, 1, fire. nice. I'll do it one more time. Here comes another one. 3, 2, 1, fire. Working pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in now. So when I plug it in, the motor will start to run and it will cock the machine. Very good. Fire. Working pretty good. So now when I want to turn the machine off, I just remove power to it. And you can see there's no clays now. But I want to release the spring. The spring is cocked. And so what I'll do is just push it on the back and it'll go around and release. When I plug in the power here, I'm gonna the machine's gonna load itself and be ready to launch. Here we go. Gonna power it up. It's got a clay there waiting. Now I'm gonna push the button. When I push this button, it's gonna release the clay and load another one. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1, fire.